beautiful people. Welcome back to Beautyistic, where we bring you all the best in beauty with honest and in-depth reviews. Have you ever wanted that perfect glossy lip that's not too sticky, but still gives you a stunning shine? Well, today we're diving into the ZOYA Lip Gloss in the shade Flirt. This little gem promises a glossy finish with a smooth, creamy texture that's suitable for all skin types. But does it live up to its claims? Let's find out. Now, ZOYA isn't exactly a new name in the beauty world. The brand has made a name for itself with clean, high-performance products, and this lip gloss is no exception. The Flirt shade is a soft, universal pink that's designed to complement any skin tone. It's got a creamy texture that glides on effortlessly and provides a high-shine finish without feeling heavy or sticky. Plus, it comes in a 0.42 tube, which is the perfect size for a portable everyday gloss. When it comes to application, this gloss feels incredibly smooth. It doesn't feel like it's tugging on your lips when you apply it, and the creamy consistency means you get an even coverage right from the start. I've been using it both on its own for a natural, glossy look, and layered over a lipstick for a more dramatic shine, and I've been loving both outcomes. The gloss doesn't wear off quickly either. I was able to get a few hours of wear before needing to reapply, which is pretty standard for a gloss like this. But what really stands out about this product is how comfortable it feels. A lot of glosses I've tried can feel overly sticky, but this one doesn't give me that uncomfortable feeling. It's smooth, lightweight, and stays in place without feeling goopy. If you're someone who's usually turned off by sticky glosses, this could be your new favorite. As far as the pros go, I have to mention the texture again. It's just so smooth and non-tacky. The Flirt shade is also really flattering, and it has a great balance of shine that doesn't overwhelm your lips. I also appreciate that it's suitable for all skin types, so you don't have to worry about it being too drying or too oily for your particular skin type. However, there are a couple of things worth mentioning. The shine is great, but if you're looking for a longer lasting gloss, this might not be the best option. Like most glosses, it does require reapplication after eating or drinking. But considering the price point, I'd say that's a fair trade-off for the level of comfort it provides. So, how does the value hold up? At its price point, I think ZOYA Lip Gloss offers solid quality for your money. It doesn't have any major flaws, and it's versatile enough to work with just about any makeup look. While it's not going to last all day without a touch-up, it's not priced like a luxury gloss either, which I appreciate. In terms of comparisons, if you're looking for something a little more long-lasting, you could check out some other brands that offer a bit more staying power. However, if comfort and a glossy, non-sticky finish are your top priorities, this one's hard to beat in its price range. The packaging is simple and practical. The tube is sleek and the applicator is easy to use, delivering just the right amount of product with each swipe. I haven't had any issues with the packaging or anything feeling flimsy. And as for customer service, I haven't needed to reach out, but from what I've seen, ZOYA has a solid reputation for providing good support if anything goes wrong. I feel confident that any questions or concerns would be addressed quickly. So to sum it all up, ZOYA Lip Gloss in Flirt delivers on its promise of a glossy, comfortable finish with a creamy texture that won't leave you feeling sticky. It's a great option for those who love a good shine but want something more wearable than most glosses. It's not the longest lasting gloss out there, but for the price, it offers a good balance of quality and performance. If this review helped you, make sure to give it a thumbs up, subscribe, and click the bell icon so you never miss a new review. Your support helps us keep making honest reviews like this. If you've tried this gloss or have a favorite lip gloss you swear by, drop a comment below and let me know your thoughts. I'd love to hear your feedback. Thanks so much for watching, and as always, stay beautiful inside and out. See you in the next video.